Imagine a tool that can help you generate voiceovers, create blog posts, come up with news, translate languages, and write all kinds of creative content, all with just a few prompts. That's exactly what ChatGPT can do for you. And today, we're diving into how you can harness its power for your content creation needs. So, let's start with something that's super handy, using ChatGPT to generate voiceovers for your videos. Here's how it works. First, think about the script or the message you want to convey. It could be an explainer video, a product review, or even a storytime narration. Simply type in your topic or key points into ChatGPT and let it generate a polished script for you. For example, generate a friendly and engaging script for a video about the benefits of daily exercise. Once the script is generated, you can edit it to fit the pace and style of your voiceover. You can even ask ChatGPT to adjust the script to be more conversational or to fit a specific time constraint. Now, let's provide another prompt. Modify this script to be under 2 minutes and more conversational. Once you've got that script, you can either read it yourself or even use text-to-speech software to convert it into audio. For example, there are a lot of GPT tools like AI Voice Generator that can help you with this. You can search for text-to-voice generation in the Explore GPT section and select any tool. Or, you can also use tools like InVideo AI to clone your voice and generate voiceover for your video from this script. This is a great way to save time and still maintain a professional tone in your videos. Next, blog posts. Whether you're running a personal blog, writing for a company, or just want to share your thoughts online, ChatGPT can be your go-to tool. Here's the process. Start by feeding ChatGPT a topic, some bullet points, or even just a title. It'll generate a full blog post for you, complete with an introduction, body, and conclusion. The cool part is, you can tweak the tone and style to match your brand or personal voice. It's like having a ghostwriter who totally gets you. Example: create an outline for a blog post about reducing plastic waste at home. With the outline ready, you can ask ChatGPT to write the full blog post. Specify the tone, length, and any specific details you want included. Now, let's finish the blog post by giving the prompt. Write a 1,000-word blog post using the outline provided, with a friendly and informative tone. And watch as it drafts a detailed and compelling post that you can tweak and improve until you're satisfied with the output, and then publish with confidence. Ever needed to come up with news stories or headlines? ChatGPT can provide help with that too. It's perfect for those moments when you need fresh content ideas or angles. To use this feature, provide ChatGPT with a topic or recent event, and it will generate potential news stories or headlines that are ready to grab attention. Whether you need breaking news, in-depth analysis, or a catchy headline, ChatGPT can help you with that. Example: please ask ChatGPT to write a 300-word news article on the recent earthquake in California, including details on the magnitude, affected areas, and rescue efforts. Or you can ask to write about a feature story on how remote work is transforming urban living patterns. You can then expand that into a full article by tweaking and improving it, providing prompts based on the output provided. Now, let's talk about translating languages. ChatGPT is multilingual, which means it can help you translate text into multiple languages with just a few prompts. Here's how you do it. Enter the text you need translated in the prompt and specify the target language. ChatGPT will provide you with a translation. It's a great way to break down language barriers and reach a wider audience. Example: let's say you've written a blog post in English, but want to publish it in Spanish as well. Ask ChatGPT to translate the following English text to Spanish and provide the blog text in the prompt. For more nuanced translation, provide context or specify the audience. Example 2. You can also do some simple sentence translations. Type the following in the prompt. Translate the following English marketing slogan to French, keeping it informal and catchy. Experience the difference with our new eco-friendly products. You'll instantaneously get the translation. Finally, ChatGPT is a creative powerhouse. Whether you need poetry, short stories, ad copy, or even social media posts, it can whip up content that's unique and engaging. To tap into this, start by giving ChatGPT a specific type of content you want, along with some guidelines or themes. It'll generate creative pieces that match your vision, whether you need something serious, funny, or anything in between. Example, let's say, write a 500-word sci-fi short story about a future where humans can communicate telepathically. Or you can use for marketing and ad copy. For creative marketing content, you can ask ChatGPT to write engaging copy for ads, social media posts, or email campaigns. Example, write a catchy Instagram caption for a new line of organic skincare products. And it can generate a range of taglines that capture your brand's essence, anything from playful and quirky to sleek and professional. So, there you have it. 5 powerful ways to use ChatGPT for content creation. Whether you're making videos, writing blogs, generating news, translating languages, or crafting creative content, ChatGPT is your secret weapon. It's like having a personal assistant who's always ready to help you create, no matter what you need. If you enjoyed this content, please consider subscribing and leave your comments below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.